You don't have to have super high production value on the video. Basically, what I would recommend is get on a Loom, have some pre-made slides, like 5 or 6 slides. Just basically tackle what are the questions that I know everybody's going to ask. They're going to ask about price. You can put that at the end if you want, but they're going to ask about that. Number one, they're going to ask, what do I actually get? They're going to ask about if they're the right fit or what kind of people have gotten results on the inside of it or whatever it is. These are the questions that just have to get asked, even though they're not super fancy. Those are slides, a slide for each of those, maybe a slide or two to tackle some objections that you might people reject the offering over. And you can confront those right off the bat to maybe mitigate some of that those people bouncing. That'd be a great video here. You can make it a little bit visual. And another part that could flow into the video, but also this page in general, is just more visuals on what's on the other side of this click. When I click $99 a year and I'm going to buy that, what does it look like? Show me the community, show me the coaching, show me the sessions, show me the deliverables, show me whatever you possibly can to actually make it real. Because that's going to, especially on the SaaS side. Now, I know you're not SaaS, but like on the SaaS side, that is 80% of
Everything.
making a decision is just what does it actually look like when I get to use it?